Don't let a dead brake light get you down. Here's how to fix your Kia Soul's third brake light in no time. First, make sure to park your car in a safe, flat area. Safety first, folks. Next, open your Kia Soul's hatch. Find the access panel on the inside of the hatch door. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully remove it. Now locate the brake light assembly. You'll see a set of screws holding it in place. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Gently pull the brake light assembly out. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing down on the tab and pulling it apart. Take your new brake light assembly. You can get one at any auto parts store or online. Connect the wiring harness to the new assembly. Make sure it clicks securely. Carefully fit the new brake light assembly back into place. Screw it back in with your Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, reattach the access panel on the inside of the hatch door. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Reconnect the battery and test your new brake light. It should light up nice and bright. And that's it. You've fixed your Kia Soul's third brake light. Safe driving.